Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and here today we are learning how to create this beautiful matte finish eye makeup look in just 10 minutes. And I'm going to show a full face makeup as well as this particular eye makeup that is very quick and very easy to do. You do not need any eye makeup palette. Yes, all you need is just two products. And here we go. Watch this tutorial and don't forget to try this look. I do not need a color corrector or a concealer. So this is just basically natural everyday makeup look or makeup base. Okay. So keeping it very natural, very light, very thin layer of foundation application. Suppose you have done your moisturizer immediately after your bath, and again you do not have to moisturize it. You can use the setting spray for it. Okay. Going over my lids. This is very important if you're doing a eye makeup. Foundation has to be applied, foundation or a concealer, so that your eyeshadow will not move from its place. This is very nice foundation. Actually, this is, it's a Fit Me foundation, not a BB cream. And this has SPF 50 as well and vitamin C. Okay, so my foundation is done. Now, either I can use, this is my go-to, which is K-Beauty Compact. I can also use Maybelline Compact. That's also very nice. So you can see how instantly it is picked the powder and given a very mattified look. I don't know if you can really see the difference. This part looks very shiny here, but this is very mattified. Never ignore your neck and your ears, because both has to look similar. Now compact is done. I've set my base. Let's frame the face by using Plum Cosmetics Brow Definer. This is my go-to again. Even if I don't do any makeup, I just go for this kajal and lipstick. That itself is amazing, and it gives you a very good defined feature. Combing is very important so that the hairline looks really neat. I'm just taking a powder brush and using a blush and contour. So for this, I'm using a Smashbox contour kit. This has two blush, pink and peach, and then the contour and highlighting powder. The contour is also, I'm doing it very mildly, not too sharp and precise, but it should give me that shadow look and give me naturally a slim face. So I'm just using it very mild, you can see. Now let's get to the most important part of today's tutorial. It is about your eye makeup. So for this, I'm just using two products, just two. Okay, one is kajal that everyone will definitely have, and you can take any matte finish or a liquid lipstick. Yes, lipstick. So you do not need a professional eyeshadow palette to start with. You can definitely use any lipsticks. Even if you have not tried the lipsticks, or if you feel you've just invested on a wrong shade, you can use that as your eyeshadow. So here I'm using Mars 10, number 10. Okay. This is a eyeshadow applicator brush. So just taking it, do not directly apply your lipstick like this. That is because you have packed it up with the foundation and that will get deposited here, and we do not want this color to get messed up. So I'm just scraping a bit onto eyeshadow and then just swiping it. This is a very cool brown, and this is very much in the trend. Just roughly applying all over the lid. If you are a beginner, always start with a lighter shade, never go for a bold or a dark shade. Just taking an again, just dipping the brush into the product. If you see I'm just using very roughly onto the lid, and there's one advantage here. Because it's cream and it is lipstick, you will not have fallout at all. I'm using the same brush, just tapping the powder product on top of the cream base that we have done just now. Okay, now to give a definition for this, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics highlighter, using the same brush again. Very little, I've just taken very little amount of highlighter and just using it on the inner corner. This will help my eyes to look little big. You see, roughly I've just drawn the outer corner. And this kajal is from René Midnight Pole. This is an angle brush that you can use to blend. Always go for a close-up shot, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to work on details. See, I'm just going with a wing. This is one of the must-have brush in your kit. Now if you see, I have already this is broken, so all I'm gonna do is with the angle brush just lift it up and give that wing. It's okay if you're a beginner, you do not need the perfection right away. Just focus on the blending. I'm using my fingers for this highlighter. Just going over the arch of the brow so that the arch looks more lifted. Tip of the nose, forehead, chin, cheeks, so that it gives you that glowy, shiny face. I'm using Maybelline Teddy Tint. Again, this is my favorite. It looks very natural shade. I'll tell you the shade, peach tone, and this is called Skinny Dip. Okay, and last but not the least, we'll go with mascara to end the look, and then one more time we will use the spray. We have a beautiful, a very mild cool tone brown eyeshadow with a smoky wing look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as well as creating this look. If you haven't created yet, please don't wait. Do try this out and comment below what do you think about creating this eye makeup look, which is very simple, easy, and yet you can see how stunning the eye makeup looks and the skin just looks so natural.
and don't forget to share this tutorial to all the makeup lovers that you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on the next upcoming video. See you soon. Bye bye.